5 visitors in the house. Mega love shout out. Ano natin ito? Wait na. Mag-picture tayo para naman may makuha tayo. Para malagyan natin ng a moment. I don't know if I can edit this LS live stream and put no, I cannot edit yet. I wanted to put thumbnail, but I think it's not possible yet to put a thumbnail here. Live. Oh yes, I can edit here. And then we will try to put a thumbnail. So there you go. We already have a thumbnail. And save. Ayan na tayo. Thank you so much for your support, guys. 2 minutes more and we will stop. So you can see our buildings, guys. Wait a moment. We will move. So there you go. I cannot zoom more so that you can see better the buildings. I cannot zoom. I think it's better now. Oh, I cannot zoom more. It's only like that. I hope you can stay cool in that heat. It's here, it's fresh here in the rooftop, Ruby. Good night. I will change my phone. Thank you so much, Brodel. I will stop now. I will wait for 2 minutes more and I will stop. Thank you so much for your support. I will visit your channel later on. Riding in tandem, salamat ha. Good night, Del from Ruby. So 6 visitors in the house. Mega love shout out. Thanks so much for your support. Thank you so much, Ruby, for your support. Ruby, this Sunday, the one I promise you, they will be going to visit the boy. Hopefully it won't rain because there's a typhoon now in the Philippines. Hopefully they can visit the boy in Sunday. Thank you so much, Ruby. Riding in tandem, thank you so much. Brodel vlog, thank you so much. Riding in tandem, salamat. Sino ba ito? Yung mga nandito. And then we have Black Rain. I don't know who is Black Rain, guys. Only come and go. So I didn't put a blue one. Black Rain. Black Rain didn't stay. And then Paul Denham, salamat po. Paul Denham. Ayan si Paul Denham. Hindi naman na bumalik. He didn't return. So thank you so much, Brodel, Ruby, Paul Denham, Riding in Tandem, thank you so much. Black Rain, thank you also. And to those who dropped by and put like, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. I will end now, guys. So have a blessed weekend, everyone. Stay healthy and happy always. Ruby, good night. Riding in Tandem, thank you so much.